Meaning of fossilize.
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 Fossilize. The term fossilize refers to the process by which organic material or living organisms are preserved in rock or sediments over time, eventually forming fossils. Fossils provide valuable scientific information about the ancient world and the evolution of life on Earth. The result of fossilization is the creation of a physical record of past life, which can be studied to gain insights into the ecological and evolutionary processes that have shaped the planet's history. Such records have contributed significantly to our understanding of the history of life on Earth and continue to offer new discoveries and insights with ongoing research.